Product Summary. 1. VEVOR 110 volts. 2. Commercial Ice Maker. 3. 440 pounds / 24H4. 77 pounds Storage Bin. 5. ETL Approved. 6. Clear Cube. 7. Advanced LCD Panel. 8. Seacock Compressor. 9. Air Cooled. 10. Blue Light. 11. Electric Water Drain Pump. 12. Water Filter. 2 scoops. Thing details. Name. 1. Premium quality with ETL certification, different from other ice crusher. VEVOR snow cone machine have ETL certification and are approved for commercial use. 2. Constructed by high-quality stainless steel hopper, 4.5 inch in the opening, food-grade stainless steel blades, one-piece injection molded PC container, and non-slip feet. 3. This ice saver machine features unbreakable, sturdy, stable for long-term use. 4. Dual blades with more efficient. The heavy-duty stainless steel dual blades provide double efficiency comparing to the single-blade machines. 5. Also, an extra pair of blades and ice scoop is available for free. The high-power 300 watts copper motor ensures a high rotating speed of 1,450 rpm and incredible crushing capacity of about 396 pounds per hour and provides a large amount of ice for your daily and business use. 6. Large capacity box. This snowball maker machine adopts a one-piece injection molded PC storage box, which can hold about 34 liters, 9 gallons, of shaved ice. The thickened material will keep snow ice frozen for a long time. 7. In addition, the ice crusher is equipped with a drainage hose, which will drain excess water and prevent water from leaking on surfaces. 8. Easy and safe design. The shaved ice machine is equipped with an ergonomic handle for labor-saving operation, featuring a limit switch for safety. 9. The on/off switch is waterproof, which is safe enough to operate even though your hands get wet. 10. This shaver is suitable for making snow cones, slushies, milkshakes, yogurt freezes and other delicious frozen drinks. Perfect for family, school, church, restaurants, bars, etc. 11. Warranty and after-sales service. VEVOR is committed to providing customers with premium ice crusher